Hello, this is video number 3 in creating a slider, one of these, for the Seydel Saxony. What is a slider? It's a device that I invented and create that allows you to play the harmonica without your lips touching the mouthpiece, and you don't use saliva anymore, so the harp stays clean. And your harp can just, your lips can have a relaxed pucker. You don't have to do this anymore, just relaxed. And then this slides left and right. So we're making it, and they're actually made out of a chunk of plastic, kind of, it's acrylic, Lexan. And so the bottom part of this will be cut so that it kind of covers this perfectly. So the first step is to actually mark this with a marker. I come here and put the end of the mouthpiece right onto the edge here, and I will then create a shape with a marker, and then I'll grind to that shape. So what I'm trying to do is to give myself a guide, of where is the shape that I'm cutting onto this. So what I do, I don't know that I can easily get the camera to record this. I'll try. Let's come over here and see how we do. So I have a marker. I'm going to be using this. I'll put this on the end, kind of like this. And then this goes here, and I'll just mark it with the marker. Okay. I'm going to try and keep the some idea approximately what this shape fit is going to be. I don't think that was a perfect drawing, certainly not, but I can make it a little more accurate. Like that. And the other side isn't really flat there yet to be worked. It's too rough to mark. I have to go downstairs and start grinding. So anyway, now I know that this shape right in here is about what the shape is going to have to be to fit over this and be airtight. So that's all that really provides me, and I have quite a bit of distance between here and here for the actual upper part of the mouthpiece, and the sides will all be ground away. That's that.